So most parents understand that reading is important. All of us talk about it. But then we all also complain about our children not reading or us not being able to convince them to become interested in reading. Now, let me ask you a question. Would you, as an Indian parent, just accept and complain about your child not liking math or science or technology? I know what I'd do. As a parent, I would find someone or some class to help them overcome their resistance to that particular subject. So, why aren't we jumping up and down trying to make sure that our kids read and make sure that we do something about it if they are not reading? Here's why. We know reading is important, but we just don't realize how important. Building the reading habit by reading one story every single day to our children is extremely important for their all round development and success in adulthood. And success could be defined any way. Success could be getting a great job, being a great entrepreneur, building a lot of wealth, being a kind human being. All of these so called 21st century skills can be developed and enhanced by building the reading habit. Reading makes you smarter. It enables you to develop the ability to absorb, retain, and restate information that you have learned, because you have to remember characters, you have to remember plot lines, you have to remember different aspects of a story as you complete the book or as you complete the story. Reading improves grades. Children who are able to read independently will be able to study independently. And when they study independently, they absorb information better and they're able to get better grades. It also makes you much kinder. Fiction, especially, helps children relate to the protagonist as well as understand characteristics of the antagonist, the bad guy, and try not to develop those characteristics. That's what every teacher, every educator, every parent is trying to do anyway. So cultivate the habit of reading in the children. How do you do that? Reading is contagious. Read yourself, be a role model for reading, but more importantly, read aloud to kids. It builds a great bond. And when you are reading aloud to children, they are freed up from the difficult words, the difficult grammar, the nuances, and their brain is freed up to imagine and to go to the places that the protagonist or the antagonist or the plot is taking them. And that helps them develop also their creativity. So read aloud to your children and they will be more successful as adults. They will be smarter, more intelligent, get better grades, everything that you've wanted them to do.